Hey, what is going on, guys? Here back with another video on G's Fishing, and today we're going to be creek fishing again. I have the proper equipment this time, so let's hop right into there and let's get a fishing. Alrighty, we're here down by the bridge now, so let's get our micro rod out and let's head down this way and let's go catch a few fish. See you guys there. We are here looking for any fishies. Alrighty, we are now in the water, so I say let's get a fishing, and instantly I see a tiny smallmouth. I mean largemouth, sorry. I feel like I'm getting chased by something. And that was just like me, like hallucinating. But yeah, he was like right over there. So alright, if that was, it's promising now. We might catch something. We're just gonna slowly make our way down. It's just me today, so hopefully I can catch a few. Oh shoot, I got the big one. I didn't even mean to snag him. I was just trying to get it past him. Whoa, Ow, you're stabbing me. Okay, this guy's like really colorful. Holy. Let me get a lip on him. Look how colorful he is. Alrighty. Well, sorry about that guy. It's gonna, I think, heal up, but we'll let him go. There he goes. Dang. That's a colorful one. Alrighty. Well, we can move on now. We've caught that one. But, hopefully we can catch something else. Wait, did he bite it, or did I think he tried biting it. Man. Well, I'm catching the colorful ones today. There he goes. We're just gonna flip her on in there, like right there. I got a rock in my sandal. We're good. And we just do this. Oh, I got one. Yes. Oh, wait, is that a rock bass? No, it's not. I thought that was a rock bass. Yeah, let me get this untangled and I'll show you guys the fishy. Alrighty, he's untangled. There's another one. So let's let him go. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's just sitting there at the bottom. I wonder if I can grab him again. Oh, nope, there he goes. No way he bites again. Nah, he's just floating on the bottom. He's good. Alrighty, let's catch a few more. This is fun, catching these tiny bluegill. Whoa, that's deep right here. Oh shoot, I got a fish. Whoa, that's a big bluegill for here. Holy, he hammered that. Man, this old rooster tail that Gunner gave me is nice. That's a nicer one. Size of my hand, probably. He's probably like 4 or 5 inches. Alrighty, we'll let him go. And there he goes. Why does every bluegill just like sit at the bottom for a minute? I'd love to catch another white bass here. Oh shoot, I got something. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a bluegill, I think. Big one. Oh no! It's a little... Wait, it's a striper. Wait, there's one right next to it, way bigger. Whoa. Oh, let me get this guy undone. There he is. Let's let him go. Let me get right back out there. The other one was like 4 or 5 inches bigger than that one. Okay. I got a fish. I got one. Yes. It's a blue geeky. It's like a pumpkin seed. No, it's a blue geeky. Alrighty. There's this little guy. A bait's half the size as him. But we'll let him go. See? They all just sit there. I wonder if I can catch him again. This is for educational purposes. No, oh my God, I caught him again. I actually caught him again. Wait, there's one right there. He's right there. Come on. Come on. I think he might have told his friend not to ride it. No, he didn't. Didn't tell. Actually, we're gonna come over here. This wasn't as deep as it was. This was way shallower yesterday. So, we're gonna get up in here. Let me cast up. I got something. Yeah, oh wait, whoa, I don't know what this is. Oh my, it's big. Feels big. It's one of the bigger ones, I think. Oh my God, that's a stud. Holy. That is a stud of a bluegill. Oh, quit shaking. This guy, absolute tank. No, I lost him. Darn it. Yeah, he was a big one though. Wow, okay. That's good. Alrighty, we found a path. We got up now. We found a shallow part. So, we're walking over now. I'm gonna hold my line here. We're gonna try to find it. I think it's right here. I can see why bluegill lay up in this. Okay, we got it, guys. Oh, shoot, there's a nest. There's a wasp nest. Shoot. Oh, God. Ow, I just got stung like 5 times. Ow, get me out of here. Ouch. Oh. Oh, of course that's thick. Guys, I'm gonna put my camera on the bank and I'm going in for it. So I'm gonna just set you guys down. Alrighty, guys, I'm back. I will say, I saw a lot of bluegill over there when I went swimming. That hole's about probably 6 feet deep. I went head under. Oh my. Oh, that's deep. So, I know where the bluegill lay. I will say that, because I saw about 40 of them right there. They lay just right there. I have one chasing it. I got something. Good. Oh, this could be worth it. Okay. Oh, Okay, there's one. Let's let him go. Alrighty. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna fish here for like 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna head back down. And then that might be a wrap for the video. And then I'll put in the 2 clips of me catching the... Nope, looks like we're not fishing here any longer. Looks like we might just head out. No, we're good. Come on. Give me a good cast. Should I say give myself a good cast? Wait, we could go down to the bridge down there. Yeah, I might do that actually. Get on the bridge for 5-10 minutes. Because my phone's about to die. It's at 20. Still need to edit the video. So, I think we'll head down to the bridge after a few casts here. Alrighty. Thank you for not doing me so well. You're long. I mean, we are tangled on something. Okay, we're good. We're gonna make a cast right where I got snagged. Yeah, no, we're not. I don't like this that much. It's a good spot. There's just so many stuff there, and you'll get tangled on it instantly if you have a bad cast. And my precision is not too shabby. It's pretty hard. Let's put it that way. Alrighty. We're actually gonna do what I just did last time. When I caught that big one, I was just like right here, and I just reeled it in. Like this stuff was only like to my kneecap earlier. Now it's over my head in one day. It grew 5 feet. This water got 5 feet deeper in one day. That's insane. I got something. Oh, blue gigi. Oh. Already caught a bluegill. Get him off the hook for you guys. Alrighty, there he is. Oh, hold up. Let me get out of the sun. There he goes. Wait, can I catch him again? This could be, could not be. Oh, he was looking at it. Alrighty, let's make one last cast here. And we're heading back down. Alrighty, I'm gonna go get my 4-wheeler, and then I'm gonna head down to the bridge. Hopefully catch something. I think I'm not gonna use this rod. I'll probably use my bait caster, my bigger spinning reel that I got. So, let's do that. Oh wait, I got one following it. Come on, eat it. Oh, hit the camera. Wait, he's right there. Wait, he's right here. Oh shoot, scared him away. I know where he went though. Come on, come back. Oh, he's back. He wants more. Oh, he's still there. I see him. Okay, we're gonna catch him. He's hungry. He's a hungry boy. Come on, eat it. Eat it. Darn it. It's because I got a salad on it, bro. No fish wants a salad. Come on, they just want to get chubby. Okay, we're gonna make one last cast here. Oh, it looks like, oh shoot. Already. Alrighty guys, I'll see you down whenever we get to over here. I'm gonna fish this for a minute. So let's get down there. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy it. And I'll see you guys probably in maybe 2 or 3 days on another video that I'm going to post when I'm in North Carolina. So I'll see all you guys there, and have a good day.